The engine response and the fuel consumption is a little bit off. Let's check the filters.
Just like my pit crew, I trust the Lexus service team and every genuine part they use. Dust, pollen, and smog can clog filters over time. Lexus Genuine air filters help optimize airflow, efficiency, and performance. And Lexus Genuine Oil, or Mobile One, paired with a Lexus Genuine Oil filter, are designed to remove contaminants and withstand extreme heat, all helping to keep your engine running smooth like a champion. Proper maintenance equals excellent performance. Visit your local Lexus dealer for all your vehicle needs.
Cleaner air, cleaner oil, and a clean start. I'm ready to roll.